Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video because I just got in my Glossier hand cream and they just launched this. You guys know I am a Glossier rep. However, they did not send these out to their reps in advance, and so I went online, grabbed it, and then I also paid extra for the expedited shipping so that I could sit down and review it. I just really wanted to get my hands on this product. It looks amazing. I've watched videos and I've seen photos online, so I'm really excited to unbox this on camera, do a first impressions for y'all. But you guys know I am a Glossier rep, so if you do want 10% off of your order, you can use my link down below in the description box, save some money. Of course, if you've already used that discount code, you can always use my link. That just helps me out, shows Glossier that you enjoy my reviews and like my videos. We're gonna go ahead and get into it because I am so excited. I literally got this box and was like, I have to film this review right now and get it up because I'm so excited about this launch. I'm gonna stop talking. We're just gonna open this up. So I got two things actually. I got their hand cream and then I also got the vitamin C serum because I was like, oh, I want to hit $30 so that I can get free shipping. And then I ended up paying like $25 for their 1 to 2 day shipping. Anyway, so I don't really know why I got this, but I use this every single day and I am like halfway through my bottle currently. So I got a backup of their Super Glow serum. I use it every single morning. That doesn't matter. We're gonna get to the hand cream now. Like always, comes in the Glossier pink pouch, and I've actually been getting the stuff without the pink pouches lately, but I wanted to do a proper unboxing. You do get the pink pouch and I am so excited. So the hand cream comes in this almost like, it feels like rice paper almost bag. Like it's not plastic, I don't think, but basically it says Glossier hand cream and then the ingredients information is on the back. So kind of like their solution where it comes in that bag, it also comes in this cute little bag, which I love their packaging. I love their packaging. It's so good. It's always so creative and I just think it adds to the product itself. So let's open it up. Wow, it's beautiful. I will say it's a little bit smaller in person than what I had pictured based online, but I love the fact that it's a good size to throw in your purse. I mean, when you think about it, body lotions are usually in like big tubes, but hand creams are usually in smaller tubes. I am obsessed with this packaging. So the actual bottle part feels like squishy. See, you can squish it, and which would make sense because it's a hand cream, you have to squeeze it out. And then this top part here is like a hard plastic. The packaging, guys, this hand cream is so luxe, and I just love this like embossed Glossier all the way around. I mean, guys, if anything, just get it for the packaging. If you're a sucker like I am for good branding, you are gonna get this in the mail and feel like the most chic person ever. I can't stop holding this. It's so comfortable. Then it has a little flip top, and then the dispenser is this little red squeezy top. So wow, whoever did the packaging design for this absolutely nailed it. I mean, this like flip top is amazing and it looks like a lighter, and I think that's so fun. This would just be amazing to throw in your purse. Like, I just think if you pulled this out, people would be like, what is that? And you'd be like, oh, this isn't a drugstore hand cream, this is a Glossier hand cream. So wow, I'm just obsessed with it just based on the appearance of it, and I don't even know what it feels like or smells like yet, but packaging is a 15 out of 10. But let's give this a try. It smells like their body lotion, but it's really light, so this is not an overwhelming scent. Like, I really can't even describe what it smells like. It doesn't smell like anything I've smelled before, but it's not like a fragrance that's really strong and identifiable, if that makes sense. I guess it doesn't have at first when I squeezed it, I was like, oh, it has a fragrance, but now that I'm rubbing it in, it honestly doesn't have a strong scent to it. I thought it was gonna be like the body lotion, but it's very, very light. The actual feel of the cream is super hydrating, but it's not oily, and it doesn't feel thick on the hands, which is really nice for a hand cream because I feel like sometimes you can get hand creams and then your hands are like greasy and you're just like, I don't want to touch anything. It feels really, really light and it feels like it absorbs into the skin really quickly. And y'all, I have been desperately needing hand cream. I mean, we all have, but I've been using their body lotion as my hand cream, which has been great actually, but I am so happy to have this. I think this is honestly worth having just for the packaging. Like, hand cream, it's an amazing hand cream, but for anything, this packaging and the look and the feel of this hand cream knocks every other hand cream. This was so well done and I am honestly so impressed, and I'm really happy that I actually got to do an unboxing here because I feel like when they send the products out early, I get to hold it, feel it, try it out, and then do a review, whereas this is like my first time ever seeing this. I'm like obsessed with this. I just want to take this with me and like pull it out places because it's just so dang cute. So if you are contemplating, should I get this hand cream, is it worth the money, I say it is 100%. Honestly, the packaging and then the feel, obviously it's a great hand cream. It feels amazing on my hands. But if you're like, oh, it's just a hand cream, I promise you, like, this presentation is so good. I'm obsessed. I've never seen a hand cream like this. Glossier, well done. You always do a great job, but well done. So that's basically my first impressions and unboxing of the new hand cream, and I am so obsessed with this. I hope you guys found this review helpful and exciting, seeing the hand cream unboxed. If you do end up ordering this, they also have a comfort collection, I believe, which is their hand cream, their eye and lip cream, and then their priming moisturizer rich formula, which is a great set. I love every product in that set and I use every product like continually, so I think that's a great deal if you do want to save some money. But you can also get the cream for $18 online. Like I said, be sure to use my discount down below in the description box, get 10% off, save some money. But if you enjoyed this review and you found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below if you end up ordering the hand cream, and I would love to know your first impression when you get it. If you are new to my channel and you would like to stick around, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do Glossier reviews literally all the time, so if there's a product that you have a question on, I probably have a video out already about it. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!